close as possible, please. Karina, if we can get a picture of just you, because I know they won't let me go without that. What a wonderful way to look into the future than with a collection by the extremely futuristic designer Amit Agarwal. And our season theme this year is Better in 3D. Ashwath, if we can talk to you a little about the collection this season that Lakme has launched, the Better in 3D collection. If you could talk to us about that.
Sure. So I think firstly, a special moment for all of us. It's 20 years of Lakme Fashion Week. So the finale makes it even more special on this occasion. And like you said, the theme this year is Better in 3D. And who better than Amit could have come together for that. And Amit, thank you for truly putting on a spectacle of a show with the projections, with the collection. I think it was truly a sneak peek into the future of beauty and fashion. And Karina, as always, what can we say? I mean, the energy you bring on the ramp and the finale is incomplete without you. So thank you for bringing that together as always. And lastly, to everybody who's worked behind the scenes for putting together this show, thank you very much. I hope the audience enjoyed it. Thank you.
I can definitely tell you they enjoyed it. The cameras were out, they didn't stop taking pictures. So it was a spectacle, absolutely. Amit, talk to us about your collection.
Um, I think firstly I'd like to thank Lakme and IMG for, I think, immense belief and support in me. And I think for a designer or a creative person, till the time there's support and ultimately the most ethereal muse who puts together your vision, I think our job's quite incomplete. And I'm truly thankful to everyone, Karina, Ashwath, IMG, for helping us put this vision out. I think from the time I've seen Karina, I think she's someone who epitomizes the past, the glory of the past, the beauty of the present, and I think she is someone who's here to stay and carve way through our future, and I think that's exactly what the collection was all about.
You stole the words right out of my mouth. I was just saying she's known for leading trends, just like the brand Lakme. Karina, serendipitous moment for us. 20 years in the industry for you, 20 years of fashion for us. Talk to us about this collaboration.
I think no better way to celebrate it than with a brand that is synonymous with me, a brand that has added tremendous value to my career, to my brand, to my name. As everyone knows, yes, there is no Lakme Fashion Week finale that is complete without me, and I take great pride and honor to say that, because I actually love walking the ramp. Maybe I'm a hidden model, but I like it and I enjoy walking with all of them and for my brand. And I think Fashion Week there's something so special about it. There's, time and time again, I get to meet such beautiful designers, wear their clothes, feel so special, put on my Lakme makeup and just feel like an absolute diva that night. And I think tonight is no less, but a little more special because, of course, first time wearing Amit, wearing one of my favorite colors. He's designed this outfit specifically for me and specially, which I think fits me like a glove. And I totally have to say that I feel very, very alive and sexy tonight. And the only one missing from the crowd is my husband. He should have come because I'm feeling fabulous. And thank you so much, actually, Lakme, for just giving me this honor each time. 20 years is, I think it's less because I think we're going to be associated. And like Amit said, we are not going anywhere. And yes, I am not going anywhere. So see you again next season.
Karina, this collection is all about bringing out the next dimension in you. Can you tell us what dimension we can expect from you?
Well, I think, like I said, that, Lakme, each season we come up with something absolutely amazing. The collection, time and again, trying to be innovative. This 3D, I think, is quite cool. Like, if you see the commercial and the film also that we shot, there's something very, very cool and futuristic about it. And in fact, on the ramp, when I was walking, I was kind of distracted in the end by the models also, because they actually represented fashion in the future, because I loved their hairstyles, a special mention to that. I loved their makeup, the clothes. So I think that is what the future is, slightly funky, slightly out there. And who knows actually what the future holds. This is just, our interpretation. And I think what better way than for Lakme and me and Amit to actually have this show tonight. So I think that hopefully is going to add a new dimension to the future.
Perfect. Thank you very much. We are going to open the floor for a quick question with the designer about the collection, and then go into a few partner bites and call it an evening. Yep.
Amit, if you can give us the detail of what Kareena is wearing.
It is one of the best shows that I have seen
sorry.
at a finale in the long time that I've been associated with Fashion Week. Thank you so much. Congratulations to you, carrying all of that. Congratulations to you for taking Lakme ahead. It's fantastic. Thank you. Congratulations to you for having the vision to have him do this.
Brilliant.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Amit, if you can elaborate more on the outfit which Kareena is wearing, the fabric, the design elements, etc.
I think the most unique bit of the outfit was the color. I think there was one distinct image of Kareena that I'd seen, and only probably one image that she's worn in emerald. And I think that probably took my breath away. And I think she haunted me in my dreams. And I thought that I do want to put her in something which is a color that epitomizes her inherent personality, the royalty in her, the grace, and everything that was structured, fluid, and I think that's what a woman or epitomizes or actually really means to me. She's bold, she's confident, she's also very languid, she's delicate, she's also vulnerable. And I think all the different aspects of a woman makes her what she is. And I think that's what the outfit was about.
Hi, Kareena. So you have been working for Lakme since the beginning. So what were your thoughts while you were walking the ramp every year, every season?
That I hope I don't fall. Yeah, 11 years, the same thought, and it just feels like, okay, is it, what's going to happen? I think that's what I think everyone feels before they, hit the ramp. But like I said, I absolutely, I enjoy it, I love it.
Amit, what was the thought behind the color palette you have used in the whole collection?
I don't think there was a distinct thought on the color palette. I just got really inspired by different colors. I thought they had to move from earth to water to the sky to the universe. And I think an amalgamation into a beautiful green which depicts life. And that was what Kareena wore. So I think that was what the entire palette looked like.
Kareena, what is your fashion statement and style statement?
Sorry?
What is your fashion and style statement?
Actually, fashion and style statement is, I think, it's something that I, would be comfortable in. The only time I'm probably very fashionable is when, I get to wear all these amazing designers on the ramp at Lakme Fashion Week. Otherwise, I'm very happy in my pajamas.
Kareena ji, how it was different from your first Lakme walk?
I think Lakme as a brand together, both of us have also grown, and learned, and kind of it's just become bigger and better each fashion week, each season. It's just grander. And apart from the fact that we've not left any place in Mumbai, I think now we need to do a destination fashion week, because we've tried all the amazing places. Yeah. Well, here's the man.
My question is to Amit. Could you please speak a little in detail about the fabrics that you have used throughout your collection and what binds them together as a collection?
So the fabrics mostly that as a brand we use symbolizes a lot that comes from our heritage, but also understand the textile waste and the industrial waste that advancement or technology brings. Primarily here, I mean, including what you see, what Karina is wearing, is a completely hand-woven textile on the upper bodice, which is made out of an industrial waste. It's a recycled material. And I think that for me is really the future, where you understand that technology is here to stay and you need technology to grow as a human race, but at the same time, you need a lot of craftsmanship. You need to understand the byproducts and put them together to create modern couture that people are not just going to end up in landfills.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I think we're done with questions for the evening. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining us. If we can do a group picture one last time, and then call it an evening. Thanks so much. Ashwat, if I can get your mic.
Like, share, and subscribe to TV Next Bollywood.